Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Showtime on Vizio TV. Quick fix step by step clearly. To activate Showtime on your Vizio TV, begin by turning on your television. Make sure your Vizio TV is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Navigate to the Vizio Smart TV home screen using the remote. Locate and select the apps icon on the home screen. In the apps menu, scroll through the available options to find the Showtime app. If you don't see the Showtime app, use the search feature to find it. Select the Showtime app from the list. Once the app is highlighted, choose the Install or Get option to download it. After the installation is complete, open the Showtime app. You will see the option to log in or start a free trial. If you have an existing Showtime account, select Log In. Enter your Showtime account credentials using the on-screen keyboard. If you don't have an account, choose the option for a free trial. Follow the prompts to create a new account. Once logged in, you will have access to Showtime's content. Explore the app to find the shows and movies you want to watch. If you encounter any issues, restart your Vizio TV and repeat the process. Make sure your TV firmware is up to date to ensure compatibility with the app. Enjoy streaming Showtime on your Vizio TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.